हेलो गाइस। इस वीडियो में सबसे पहले हम इंट्रोडक्शन लेंगे, इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ 10th स्टैंडर्ड साइंस। हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, फ्रॉम द 6th onwards you are studying the science. You are studying science. Do you know that what is science? If you are studying science, first you should know what is science. Well, science is derived from the two words scientia. Science is derived from the word scientia, which means to know or knowledge. Which means knowledge. Science is the systematic, well arranged and well organized knowledge of particular subject or topic. Science is the systematic, well arranged and well organized knowledge of particular subject or topic. Science is not only about the physics, chemistry and biology. Science is a common word. For example, if you are studying the computer, that is the computer science. If you are studying the medicines, that is the medical science. If you are studying about the politics, that is the political science. Isn't it? Science is the common word too. Okay. Well, science onwards. In the 6th, 7th standard, 6th to 8th standard, there were one ncert and some chapters were related to the physics and some chapters were related to the chemistry and some chapters were related to the biology. They were singing. But 9th onwards, science is divided into three parts. First one is physics, second chemistry and third one is biology. First, you should know what is physics. Can you tell what? If you are studying science and physics, 9th standard, in 9th standard you had studied about the physics. First, you should know what is physics, what may be the definition. Okay, but before this, I would like to ask you one thing. Have you ever wondered what is the main fundamental thing due to which all the things exist in this universe, whether it may be living or non-living? Can you guess what is that thing? Okay, very obvious. That is the energy. I consider the basis of science is the energy. Energy is the basic fundamental thing due to which all the things exist in this universe, whether it may be living or non-living. So that's the energy. Okay, in 9th standard you had studied about the matter, whatever that occupies space and has the mass, that is called matter. So physics, now I would like to tell you, if I leave the any object, what would it be? That would be fall. Why did it fall? Because due to the gravitational, that is the form of energy. So what is physics? Physics is the branch of science in which we study the relation between the matter and energy. Physics is the branch of science in which we study the relation between the energy and the matter. In science, whatever would be the form of energy, that is the chapter. For example, light energy, light, sound energy, sound, and so on. Second is the chemistry. Chemistry is the branch of science in which we study about the chemical nature of matter. Chemical nature of matter. Simply you can say that chemistry is the branch of science in which we study about the chemicals. Suppose there is any matter. If we study about the physical aspect, that is the physics. If we study its chemical nature, means उसकी chemical किससे मिलके बना, that is called chemistry. Chemistry is the branch of science in which we study about the chemicals or chemical nature of matter. Next, third is the biology. If we split the term, that is the bios and logi, logos. Logos means to study. Bios means living or living world. That means biology is the branch of science in which we study about the living organism. Biology is the branch of science in which we study only about the living organism. If I talk about the 10th standard NCERT, there are total 16 chapters. 5 chapters of chemistry, 6 chapters of the biology, and remain 5 chapters of the physics. Is that clear? Okay. My main first we would cover the chemistry and biology. After 10th, chemistry and biology become the single subject, that is called biochemistry. अगर हम बात करें chemistry, there are 5 chapters: chemical reactions and equations, acid, base and salt, metals and non-metals, carbon and its compound, periodic classification of elements. अगर हम बात करें biology, there are 6 chapters. First is life process, second is control and coordination, third is how do organisms reproduce, heredity and evolution, our environment, and the natural resource, management of natural resource. So guys, students, we would start from the biology first chapter, that is life process. That would in the next video. So please keep watch and subscribe my channel. Don't forget for subscribing. Thank you.